माँ कसम बहनचोद क्या यूट्यूबर है ये यार, कमाल कमाल है भाई।
माँ कसम कमाल है।
पर्पल हुडी वापस आते हुए Good afternoon guys, welcome back to another vlog, another day like we always say. आज का vlog भाई सबसे पहले we have reached 50,000 subscribers. Possible ही नहीं था without your support. So thank you so much for your trust, for your love. For everything. हम जो भी हैं we are all because of you guys. तो आप लोगों के लिए तालियां. Now I think 100k, 500k, 1 million दूर नहीं लग रहा है भाई, achievable है but baby steps.
Yeah, let's dream big. Why not?
मैंने ये चीज कभी realize नहीं किया, never realized it कि Sylvia has actually never eaten Indian food with her hands. मतलब Indian food as in like naan wan तो she eats obviously with the hands, but कभी दाल चावल सिल्विया ने अपने हाथ से खाया ही नहीं है, never. एक कश्मीरी पंडित के घर में बत्ता और दाल, बत्ता मतलब चावल, दाल तो दाल ही होती है, तो एक कश्मीरी पंडित के घर पे दाल बत्ता इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसलिए सिल्विया को बताना जरूरी है कि सही टेक्निक क्या है दाल चावल खाने की. तो चलिए लेट्स गो इन द किचन, फटाक से दाल चावल बनाते हैं. आर यू अ दाल बट?
But like you're
नो नॉट बट. तो जब तक दाल बन रही है तब तक we are going to prepare the rice. This is our favorite rice straight from Delhi. Sylvia का सबसे favorite.
You can see I love the full advertisement on the package, like you know that they are closed on Monday.
अरे भाई कौन सी कंपनी है? What is the company called? We have no branches. Kalyan. हाँ.
Kalyan.
I think it must be quite a famous brand in Delhi.
This face is very familiar actually. I've seen this geezer somewhere.
अब बेचारे की ले तू है. कल्याण भाई is our god. ऐसा तगड़ा राइस देता है भाई और कोई नहीं, कहीं से भी नहीं भाई.
Okay.
8 नंबर 80 नंबर क्वालिटी.
Yeah.
And what is the most amazing thing you love about this rice?
That there is always a gift inside.
ये तो सिर्फ भाई इंडिया में ही होता है कि राइस पैक के अंदर कोई गिफ्ट हो. I think usually it's fork, spoon, magnet of भगवान and knife.
Yeah.
और हमें क्या चाहिए? What do we want this time?
We want knife.
Knife, yeah.
Or spoon.
Okay, चल फिर कर दे शुरू.
Now you need to dig inside and try to find it.
This looks like this Sylvia protein shake when you're looking for the cup
For the
inside.
scoop, yeah.
The scooper inside.
Oh.
क्या मिला? देख के Sylvia.
Oh.
डेड बॉडी तो नहीं. ये क्या भाई? सोया चाप मसाला. ये को तो नया गिफ्ट है. This is new gift.
Yeah. But where is my spoon?
अरे ये तो खाने वाला है, तो खत्म हो जाएगा. चमन ब्रांड. This vlog was not sponsored by Chaman brand. दाल looks quite ready now, almost ready हो गई है. तो बस let's make the तड़का and done. दाल ready. चलो
You
फिर.
making तड़का?
चल मैं बनाता हूँ. I'll make the तड़का today. So तड़के के लिए हमको चाहिए लहसुन. अगर if लहसुन was French, if garlic, लहसुन was French, we'd call it लहसुन. ओके सिल्विया जी, तो आप रेडी हैं?
Yes.
हमारी दाल और चावल रेडी हैं। तो बेसिक रूल दाल को चावल के साथ खाने का हाथ से इज यू जस्ट टेक लिटिल बिट, यहाँ पर डाल दिया हल्का सा, और बस इसको थोड़ा सा यू जस्ट मिक्स इट। यू बेसिकली all these fingers they have to be like joined.
Okay.
Almost they can't be loose.
All of the 5 fingers.
Yeah,
All of them.
Yeah, well, yeah, kinda. They have to be like, they can't have any gaps. At least these 4 fingers can't
Okay.
have anything. So you just mix them like that.
Okay.
Yeah, this is quite easy. Now you make a grip
Okay.
out of it. So you just make a claw, hold it a little bit. Yeah, and then like that. So it's locked. Yeah.
Okay.
So now you pull it like that, so it comes in your hand.
Okay.
Yeah, and this thumb, this acts as a pusher.
Okay.
So this will push it up to your mouth. You understand? Because usually people eat, like who have eaten for the first time, they use this, but then they forget that this is the most important part.
So this is kind of like an ice cream scoop. Have you
Yeah,
have you seen
exactly.
the ice cream scoop?
Exactly. That's how you push it. So ऐसे किया, फिर ऐसे करके.
Acha.
So this goes up, and your mouth also does a suction. This will never be taught by anybody. देखा बहन जो पूरे YouTube पे I don't think anybody will teach you like this. पूरा detail में बताया भाई. I've told you in detail. चल तू try कर.
My mouth is watering so much. I'm so hungry that actually I can't wait to dig in. We wash our hands before, just so you know. Okay, so I shouldn't pour everywhere, just in one
No,
corner.
little bit where you how much
Okay.
you want to have. मैं ऐसे करता हूँ.
Okay. It's not going to be hot?
It's not hot.
Okay. So first you mix it together, yeah?
Yeah, you mix it together. बहुत ही सही, बहुत ही लाजवाब.
Oh,
Well-
it is warm.
Well done, Silvunio. शाबाश.
I'm so hungry. My mouth is dripping.
शाबाश मेरी चीती.
Okay. So I got it.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
अब एक ओ बहुत प्यारा और
Yeah?
या नाउ ये थम हाँ और अब उसको पुश कर. अरे बहन चौथ एक नंबर. ओ भाई ये औरत इंडियन है. ये यू आर इंडियन ओनली बेसिकली. दैट्स द थिंग. ऐसे तो कोई नहीं सीखता भाई पहली बार में.
It wasn't that hard. I'm finding it very satisfying to mix it together.
But isn't it nice? Because like they always say like food should be eaten like this because you feel it. It's for the senses. So like when you're eating it like that, you see, your hands are feeling it, and then you put it into your mouth. It's an experience.
Definitely.
ये बात. अरे वाह वाह कसम सिल्विया. एक दाना नहीं गिरा नीचे. एक दाना, even one grain didn't fall down.
No?
No. Oh yeah, this is so Indian. गौर से देखिए इस औरत को. ये एक्चुअली इंडियन थी जो पोलैंड में रहती थी. आई थिंक यू वर इंडियन ओनली लिविंग इन पोलैंड. दिस इज ऑल अ डिसगाइज. दाल भी बहुत तगड़ी बनी है माँ कसम.
The rice is beautiful.
राइस बहुत तगड़ा है भाई हमारा.
I mean, just rice itself can make such a difference to the dish. Because we try so many different brands here. And
I think this one,
nothing was close to this one.
this rice comes from Dehradun actually, in India, or I think from Jammu. So in India, there are 2 places that have got the best rice. One is Dehradun and one is Jammu. Jammu का rice भी बहुत तगड़ा है.
And this one, actually, we have to, like, your dad always goes somewhere very far to grab this rice.
Yeah, he goes very far to grab this. हाँ. पापा जब भी लेके आते हैं.
All Delhi? No.
No. It is from Rajendra Nagar.
Uh-huh. Kasam, the food was so good. I love the experience eating my food by hand. It was so much better than actually eating with the cutlery. And I think for people who never tried it, don't judge different culture. So if you don't know about something, just question it. Then you will have more knowledge why people do things certain way. And I think it's always good to learn new things and adapt to new cultures. Even though you may think that your culture is the best culture, just be open-minded and just try something else for a change, like I did today.
I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, क्या करना है पता है ना? क्या करना है?
Why so aggressive?
Like करना है.
And subscribe करना है.
शेयर कौन चाचा करेगा?
And share chacha.
Like, share and subscribe to our channel if you love our content. अगर नहीं भी like किया, नहीं भी share किया, नहीं भी subscribe किया, तो भी कोई नहीं. You are most welcome to the Indian Polish family. Stay safe and love you all. खुश रहो, आबाद रहो, जिंदा रहो. मिलते हैं एक नए व्लॉग पे. बाय बाय.
Bye bye.
हाथ लगा दे, फिर स्क्रीन बंद कर दूंगा ना. अरे ब्लैक उधर दे देना ऐसे. वो करते नहीं है, वो बड़े बड़े यूट्यूबर नहीं करते ऐसे हुश करके. दिस बिग यूट्यूबर